Hello and welcome to another short video tutorial from Centurion Graphics. Today we're going to be talking about how to convert your Word document into a PDF. At Centurion Graphics we prefer to use PDFs saved directly from the native program that was used to create the file in question. The reason for this is that necessary data is embedded in the PDF, which means that your artwork will be reproduced accurately in a number of different programs. In the case of Microsoft Word, it is the information about the font that we are interested in. This is because there are many variations of fonts that can be used to make artwork. But for someone else to see the exact same document accurately, it requires the person who opens the file to have the exact same font installed on their own device. This process of saving the file as a PDF gets around this problem, as the font is embedded in the PDF document, which ensures that we can reproduce your artwork accurately. So to do this, we first need to open our Word document. We are currently using the latest version of Word, but the principles are the same for previous versions. Now, there are two ways that we can save our Word document as a PDF. One way is by clicking File, then the Save a Copy option on the left hand side of your screen, then drop this bar underneath your file name down and click the PDF option. After choosing where you want this to be saved, just click the Save button. The other way that we can do this is by clicking File, then click the Save as Adobe PDF option on the left hand side of your screen, then just choose where you want to save it and press Save. So hopefully this has helped you learn how to convert your Word documents into a PDF. If you still have any questions about how to do this, please feel free to get in touch with us using any of the methods on our Contact Us page. Also, check out our other artwork tutorials on YouTube or on our website.